So I got another question from one of my viewers and followers. How do you become a consistent, profitable trader? I think the key is just muscle memory. You're sitting in front of your desk, looking at the market screen time every single day. That's it. And it just gets easier. That's my opinion. Enjoy the video. It's still a lot of uncertainty. Welcome back, traders. It's still a lot of uncertainty in the market right now. I tried to get in a couple of times and did not get filled. Finally, was able to get one trade. Nice short, very sweet. Market just dropped and got right to my target. Enjoy.